Hey, sexy people, let's turn up the heat. Alright, listen up, gorgeous people, let's be real. Who doesn't want to feel like they could make heads turn when they walk into a room? And listen, when I say sexy, I'm not talking about some unrealistic standard. It's about owning your unique self and feeling confident in your own skin. So, whether you're looking to spice things up in your love life, make a killer first impression, or just feel damn good about yourself, stick around. I've got some tried and true tips that'll help you unleash your inner sex kitten. Get ready to turn up the heat. We're about to dive into the ultimate guide on how to be sexy. Trust me, it's going to be fun. Okay folks, let's talk confidence. This is non-negotiable, like my love for a good cheese plate. Confidence is the foundation of sexiness. When you believe in yourself, when you know your worth, honey, it shows. Think about it. Have you ever noticed that someone just has this magnetic energy? Like they could be wearing a potato sack, and they'd still be the most captivating person in the room. That's confidence, baby. So how do you get it? Well, it starts from within. Own your quirks, celebrate your strengths, and don't be afraid to strut your stuff. Let's be real, you can say I'm confident all day long, but if your body language screams insecure kitten, people are going to pick up on that. Think about it. Good posture, making eye contact, not being afraid to take up space. These are all subtle cues that tell the world, hey, I'm here and I'm fabulous. So stand tall, own your walk, and don't be afraid to make eye contact with that hottie across the room. Trust me, your body language can be just as alluring as any outfit. Chapter 3. Dress to impress. Find your inner fashion icon. Okay, fashion lovers, let's talk clothes. Listen, I'm all about comfort, but there's no denying that when you wear something that makes you feel amazing, your confidence skyrockets. And when you feel confident? Hello, sex appeal. It's about finding pieces that flatter your body type, highlight your favorite features, and make you feel like you can conquer the world. Whether it's a killer dress, a power suit, or some ripped jeans and a cute top, own that look. The key is to wear what makes you feel your absolute best. Chapter 4. The power of a smile. Your secret weapon. You know that feeling when you see someone with a genuine radiant smile? It's like instant sunshine, right? Well, guess what? That could be you. A smile is seriously the most underrated accessory. It instantly makes you more approachable, more attractive, and let's be real, it just lights up your whole face. So, flash those pearly whites. Don't be afraid to let your joy shine through. Chapter 5. Self-care isn't selfish, it's sexy. Alright, let's talk self-care. This isn't just about bubble baths and face masks, although those are great too. It's about prioritizing your mental and physical health. Because when you feel good on the inside, it shows on the outside. Think about it. When you're well-rested, eating nourishing foods and taking care of your mental well-being, you just radiate a different energy. So, make time for yourself, indulge in things that bring you joy, and watch your sexiness soar. Outro: unleash your inner sex god goddess. So there you have it, my loves. Remember, true sexiness isn't about conforming to some unrealistic standard. It's about embracing your individuality, owning your confidence, and loving the skin you're in. Try out these tips, experiment, and have fun with it. The journey to feeling sexy is all about discovering what makes you feel your most confident and radiant self. And trust me, when you find that sweet spot, there's no stopping you. Now go out there and rock your incredible sexy self.